wandered very far over land and sea. A little shy and sad of eye, but very wise was he. And then one day, magic day, he passed my way, and as we spoke of many things,